Many of us believe that without criticism, the world would fall apart, or that we need criticism. We need criticism to motivate others, or we need criticism to motivate ourselves. I want to suggest that criticism almost always does more harm than good, because criticism is when there's a war. And there's actually two types of wars. There's the war between the I now and the I next, the part of us that wants to do now versus next. And so when next doesn't get his way, then he criticizes now. And so the criticism just perpetuates the war between I now and I next. But the question we always need to ask is, how can they work together? How can they work together so that both sides win? Both the I now part of us that wants now to be good, and the I next part of us that wants the future to be good. How can they work together? And criticism just perpetuates that war, and maybe there might be a temporary win of I next or over I now, or even vice versa, but it just makes things worse in the big picture, and often even in the small picture. The other war is the I me versus I you war, like how to take care of me and take care of you. And so I might criticize you because you're not paying attention to me like I think you should be, instead of looking to how can we have a partnership here, how can we make it so that both you and I can win. And the criticism there, again, it just perpetuates the war, instead of looking to how can both sides win. How can we find a way so that both sides win, both taking care of myself and taking care of you? So catch yourself when you're criticizing, and usually criticism comes from resisted fear, like you're so frightened you won't be able to control things unless you criticize others or you criticize yourself. But remind yourself that, especially in the big picture, always cost more than the benefit. The cost is always more than the benefit. Thank you.